All right, hi everybody, Salimah here. This is our fourth part series about CBD and healing benefits that you can experience using this non-psychoactive form of cannabis. So what I have here today is a little vape kit. And if you haven't heard the term vape before, what it means is that you're using a heat in order to vaporize a CBD oil. So this is a way to inhale and to have a very fast response from the plant medicine to any kind of relief that you're looking for. In particular, this is great for anxiety. This is great for overall feelings of upliftment, feeling a little lighter, feeling a little bit more connected. I would say all of those things. And this is a little kit that you get all together. What you have here, the first piece is the mouthpiece plus the CBD oil. Then you have the shaft here, which is holding the battery as well as the light that goes on. And then here you even have a USB charger. So this little kit is tamper-proof, so kids can't get into it. It comes pre-packaged like this. And then I have the joy of unpackaging for you. So you simply open up the package and then all the pieces come together and they assemble just like what you would see. So you have the mouthpiece and a little guard on the bottom. So you take that off and then simply put these two pieces together. And because we're super cool, this even has a little rubberized tip, so if you're working on your iPad, you could use it too. And of course the USB, and the USB comes off here and then gets charged and then it comes back on. I'll show you that in a minute. But simply, this is comes a little bit charged already, and to get fast relief, all you do is inhale. So you take the mouthpiece to your mouth, inhale. And that's it. You have lights that come on when you're inhaling and drawing on the vape stick itself. The lights go on so that you know you're charged and you're ready to go. And then when you're ready for a full charge, simply undo the charge here and then bring the USB portion together, screw in the shaft part, and then plug that into a USB port. And then that will charge. You'll get lights on here once it's charged. And then you come back, unscrew, and then put this back together and it's ready to go. So all of that together, this is called a vape kit. And there are a few different ways to use this. Again, this is fast acting, non-psychoactive, so no high feeling, no losing of any senses or sensations, more of a feeling of calming and relaxing. This is a great addition to the tincture. So let's say you woke up in pain and you know that this is going to take a little bit of time for it to kick in, maybe an hour or two even. And so what you would do is take your tincture first and place that under your tongue. That starts to work on your body, takes about an hour. And then at the same time, you take maybe 2 or 3 hits off of your vape stick, and then you have coverage until this tincture kicks in. So it's a way of combining medicines so that you are fully covered. This again works great for pain, anxiety, works in a way that helps you feel a fast set of relief, and the tincture takes a little bit longer and offers a little bit longer relief. So that's a way of combining these two medicines so that you have good coverage for whatever it is that you'd like to treat. Okay, so if you're looking for more information, please click the link below and like and subscribe. We're happy to help, so please leave your comments at the bottom. I'm happy to answer any questions. And if you'd like to reach out to me, please do that at love.yogavision@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and talk to you soon.